Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will figure out how to connect your traces back to your original video. This can be very useful to find out if your findings are real. We will use a video viewer based on BigDataViewer Plugin from Fiji. This tutorial is based on the previous tutorial Let's make a molecule archive and let's calculate the variance. I would recommend you to follow along these tutorials, or if you want to start right away, get a copy of the archive on the GitHub repository. First of all, if you have not downloaded the video yet, please go to the GitHub page and download the video. Then open Fiji and load the video. There are two ways to make the connection between your video and the tracking. You can convert the video into an N5 or an XML HDF5 file format. I will show you both options, but I would recommend using the N5. When you have the video open, go under File, Save As, Export N5. A window will appear. Copy the settings from the video. For the N5 root, you can select a file path, like the desktop. Hit OK. To create an XML HDF5 file, go under Plugins, BigDataViewer, Export Current Image as XML HDF5. A window will appear and you need to copy the settings from the video or web page. Select a file path you like. Hit OK. In the next step, open the archive we created. Click Plugins, Mars Molecule Open Archive, and go to the Metadata tab, which is the one with the microscope icon. Click on the BDV sources. Depending on which file you created, you have to select the correct one. Then name it. I named it track. Click on the plus and a window will appear. For N5, click on the file path and click Choose. Then hit Detect Datasets. Click OK. You can find back the video. For the HDF5 or XML, just select the file and you can also find the molecules in your video. Go under Tools and Show Video. From now on, all the steps are the same for N5 or HDF5 XML. Now we want to find back the tracks in the video. Go with your mouse pointer to the right side of the window. You will see some arrows. Click on them and the menu will show up. Select X and Y for X and Y. Tick the boxes for Circle, Track, Follow and Row with Think in order to see the track and the circle which represents your polymerase. Now your window should show a circle and a track. When we play the video, we will see the circle following the bright blob of pixels, which is our labeled polymerase. We can now check out multiple traces and if their behavior is real. If you want to export the video, for example for a presentation, you can do that by clicking on Export, which creates a separate window. You can save the exported video as a AVI file. With this, we end our series working with Mars. You got a broad overview of what you can do with Mars. We started with creating an archive. Then we calculated some statistics, and we could visualize parts of the analyzed data using the widgets. We also did a more in-depth analysis using the kinetic change point tool. And lastly, we could find back the molecules in the original video we tracked in the beginning. For more in-depth information on the tools and for more specific tutorials, you can check out our website. Thank you for watching.